The legend.
Put me on TmezTv.
If you want to be on TmezTv, you can be on TmezTV. Did you help sell merch yesterday? No? Okay, well maybe you should go help her sell merch because she doesn't always like to do that. Just walking out of the trailer, help Madeline get all set up, and look at this view. Oh yes. Oh yes. Got the girls getting ready to set up. Yeah.
All of your shit's dark.
Well, it's almost ready, and it looks like it's 4:15, so the night is about to get rolling here. Double duty is always fun, always a little bit stressful because you don't have a lot of time in between both of them, and you don't always know what's going on other than just hop in the race car and go. But we're gonna see what Kyle's up to. What's happening, everybody? I got to get up here for Clinton.
Pulling my seat out because I got fired.
Got fired already, huh?
Yeah, didn't maintain minimum pace. It's off to the steering wheel.
Alright, let's go eat. I'm starving.
Go put some meat on them bones.
No, I have to PT on Saturday for the police department.
Oh, you're even a cop?
I'm a cop?
You're a cop? Oh, that's so nice of you guys. The calm before the storm. Welcome back to TmezTv. We are at Eldora Speedway, night number 2 in the 7X Midget. We are also in the sprint car, but they have like over 100 cars and they're trying to fire off everybody, and it is a complete... Look at this. I got let in by Rich Foreman in this photographer area, and it is awesome. Little perks to TmezTV. And as always, thanks for watching TmezTV, because you are making TmezTV what it is. Not me, I just make videos. And it is now practice time for the midget. Wing cars, non-wing, midgets, and then crown. So we're about to get out there. Finally. Show and Witt's RC Racing Products hot laps here because we didn't qualify. This was night 2 and we had run off of the points from the night before. So I get up to the top here and the car is shaking pretty bad. Had a right rear out of balance, and that kind of got me to where I just decided to run the bottom. But the bottom's pretty juiced up here. What's up, dude? So, Clinton Boyle's crew chief tonight. Clinton Boyle's back on the wrenches. Clinton was driving the 98 car, but he's the wrench on the 55. What's up, dude?
How you doing, buddy?
Good, doing good. How are you?
Good.
Good. Ohio boys in town. Good. Check out that steering wheel. How we doing? Well, it is almost heat race time. I'm in the 4th heat, so we're just gonna watch the track and hope it comes to me. All right, it's finally time to get the midget dirty. We are rolling up for the heat race, and I bet you it's almost 10 o'clock. It's late in the day. Good luck, T-Mez.
Side up front, roll into the throttle, we're dead even across the stripe, and there we go. Now on the inside for T-Mez at Engler Ford, digging hard for the 7X car. Around the outside comes Justin Grant, the number 2 car teammate for the 7X. They'll go side by side, deep down into turn number 3.
That's like decent formation right now. Come up to turn number 4.
Chris Wyndham goes to the top shelf for the 89 cars, bringing speed down into turn number 1 and 2. Got the CB Industries ride, hustling hard back in P4 on the field. Again, you want to be inside the top 8 on the lead lap as we hustle down into turn number 3. Watch Wyndham, the run he gets in the 89 car. You'll have a vapor trail coming off of it out turn number 4.
He just absolutely loves that line and now goes right down the middle. Does Big Daddy.
And fires it into the meat of the pack down into turn number 1 and 2. Hides up on the high side now for the number 89 cars. Got second. He'll go after the top spot. And good work down into turn number 3 and bring it on to the front straightaway. You're going to have a new race leader this time by. Or not quite there just yet.
Yeah, but it looks inevitable at this point, doesn't it, Chet? Nobody in the midget runs that high line quite like this newbie Chris Wyndham. He showed it last night. He's doing it again.
Yeah, showcasing it down into the corner. It's going to be Rico Aver, who was on the high side. Now he'll dodge down to the inside for the number 24 car. I thought he was going to follow along with Wyndham. That's not the case. Seavey, however, got the memo. He'll hop the 57 up to the high side down in turn number 1 and 2 along with Aver.
Rico's doing a nice job, as always, after a stellar night last night. He sits in that second spot, and there's Chris. No mystery about what he was going to do here.
No, not at all. Let's look back behind Justin Grant down on the inside of the racetrack for the number 2. If you see that happen, he's not running that high side. Something off there a little bit with that number 2 car. Maybe missed the gear on it, missed a little bit of the setup, but not comfortable getting that thing on the top shelf, and he's falling back through the field.
So Chris Wyndham doing Chris Wyndham things here at Fort Car Nationals. T-Mez having a good run. Rico running third.
Yeah, well, was running third, now looks at second. He'll slam it out across the racetrack, slip up across, not going to be able to hold off Mesrel. Mesrel able to turn him back to the inside. Rico will do it again down into turn number 3, and here comes a little slider. Not really an aggressive one, though. It just kind of slips up to about 3/4 of the racetrack, grabs a hold of it, takes the white flag as he tries to run down Chris Wyndham up front.
Boy, that's a good battle there for the second spot. Chris Wyndham would have to have a major bubble not to put this one in. And look where he goes.
And down on the inside, protects on the slide job on the final lap, picks up the checkered flag and puts that one into the book. Simpson Race Products Rod End Supply, E-Race number 2, going to last night's feature event winner. That was a good save coming out of turn number 2 by Mesrel. If you didn't see that, he almost got her into the wall on a back shoot. But
Just got done with the heat race in the midget, and man, I just want to win. I just want to win, and I'm not happy until I win. And I'm not winning, so I haven't been very thrilled about it, but that's okay. We're getting better. Eldora's tough. We don't race here a lot, and it's super, super slick. They got over 100 cars. It's right up on the fence.
and I was pretty good on the bottom, but then once I got to the top, man, I about plugged it in the fence and killed it off of 2 there, right at the end there. It's like, you get it in, and the thing makes so much speed from entry to 1 to the center, and then off the corner, it just goes back to nothing. So, as always, you gotta watch the banking and where the transitions are. At 3 and 4 is like kind of loses bank on the top, where 1 and 2's got it a little bit more bank on entry, but then it kind of fades off the corner. So just super treacherous here, trying to not tear up my shit. Trying.
We'll get everybody tucked up behind the pace truck as we get set to go. Dason Persley, Logan Seavey on that front row, Brian Wiedemann, Rico Abreu, row 2, Jane Avedissian and Chris Wyndham on row 3, Ryan Timms and Justin Grant, the 4th row. 5th row, Gavin Miller and Thomas Mesro, Jacob Denny and Mitchell Bowles on row 6, row 7, Daniel Whitley and Jake Andriotti, then Hayden Reinbold and Taylor Reimer on the 8th row, 9th row, Briggs Danner and Ethan Mitchell. Pennsylvania race rails up and over goes Jade Avedissian. Got into the wall down at turn number 1. And unfortunately, the 7X going over as well as Jade. I see her moving around in the race car. T-Mez throws his hands up in disgust behind the wheel of the EnviroFab number 7X. But that was another vicious hit into the wall.
So I'm coming off the bottom here, and my angle of approach is get up on the fence. When I realize she's flipping is when Wyndham comes across here, and at this point, I can't go left, and I'm not sure if her car is going up the track or down the track, but if I use the brakes, it's going to turn left, and I don't want to hit her, but the right front snags the cushion, and it knocks the front end out of it, and I go for the slowest flip I've ever had in my life because it's just rolling down the banking. And as you can see, I'm not thrilled about this. I drive race cars, and I get fired up when I drive race cars, and T-Mez is pretty worked up here.
Well, that totally sucked. Got caught up in Jade's deal. I'm okay. Got one more race to run. It's unfortunate. This EA Stealth was ripping, and I think we had some positions to go forward, but as you can see, knocked the front end out of it.